Okay, day 19 video for Thursday, April 23rd. We're going to do a little more with conditional probability. This should be actually real easy for you. We're going to start dealing with what they call two-way or a contingency table. It's just a table listing two or more characteristics of a group. They might give it to you in a word problem, or it might just give you a chart like this. Years of employment at some company, 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, and over 14. You can either be male or female. They'll say of the people that worked there for 0 to 4 years, 12 of them were male out of the 20. And they'll just give you information like that, fill in a chart, and then you just got to start adding and subtracting and filling this all in. So right here, 9 and 16, that's 15. 9 and 6 is 15. 20 minus the 12, that's going to be an 8 here. 30 minus 13, that should be 17 here. Can't do anything here, but we can see here that we total all of these up. So we just have to total these up. So we got 13 and 9, which is 22, and 8, which is 30, and 30 minus that 44 right here is going to give me 14. And it's just a game of adding and subtracting, trying to fill it all in. 12 and 6 is 18, 28, 35, 45, 55, 56. And if we total this total column, that's going to give me 100. And we can do 20, 35 here, and just to double check, the totals over here should equal the totals here. So 20, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. So it all adds up. Now we're ready for some problems about probability, but all of our numbers are here. Once the chart filled in, it's pretty simple. All right, so the first two problems, what is the probability of a randomly selecting a female employee? So there's no conditional on this, so it's just the probability of a female. All right, well, out of how many? This is the total. So that's 100 employees. What's the probability of a female? Got to look at over here. So it's 44 out of 100. Of course, you got to reduce that. So that's going to be what, 22 out of 50, or 11 out of 25. Given, okay, so that's a condition. Given the employee is male, what is the probability they have less than 4 years experience? Come on, move up. So I want the probability less than 4, given we already know they're male. All right, so now what is the total on the bottom? Well, the total of males, I'm not dealing with the 100, I'm only dealing with the 56 here. That's my condition. And I want them less than 4 years, so I'm only dealing with the males that are less than 4, so that's going to be 12 out of 56. So we reduce the 12 out of 56, that's going to give me 6 out of 28, or 3 out of 14. Okay, the next two is given the employee has between 10 and 14 years, so we're dealing with this column. So my total is 30. The probability of something given they are between 10 and 14. What is the probability the employee is female? Well, like I said, we're dealing with this column here, 10 to 14, so the total favorable outcomes is 30. Female is 13. And that doesn't reduce. What is the probability the employee is male, excuse me, if they have more than 14 years experience? It doesn't say given, but it implies given. So what's the probability the employee is male? That's what we want to know. If they have more than 14, so plus 14. So we just come over here to our table, plus 14. We're dealing with the 35 as a total. And the probability that they are male, which is this guy right here. So that's going to be 21. Well, 7 goes into both of those. It's going to be 3 out of 5. Nice short video. I think you guys are catching on to this stuff pretty easily. If you have any questions, remember, always ask on Google Classroom. I'll make any other videos you need.